Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the date and time because maybe daylight savings just occurred. How do you actually go ahead and change the date and time on your Hyundai Santa Fe? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Setup, which is this button right over here. Next, you're going to click on General. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Date and Time. So this is where you could actually go ahead and adjust the time. So you can adjust the time format, you can adjust the time zone, and you can also even enable daylight savings time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the date and time on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.